My name is Damodar, and I represent CII Life Sciences in the CII conference. And CII is playing a very major, playing a major role in upgrading the industry's the standards in terms of the safety and quality. And by imparting a knowledge, bringing all the leaders into one platform, giving the knowledge to this, not the knowledge to the industry, and including the vendors who are supplying the various kind of equipments, digital processes, and the doers who are in the shop floor. And these kind of conferences helps to share the knowledge of the people who was in the industry, to adopt in other industry, to enhance their processes actually, and bring in a good medicine to the industry, to the world actually. And if you look at the Indian industry, we are the largest medicine suppliers in the world. And these kind of conferences helps us to share and get the knowledge of the best practices and enhance our productivity. And this also gives actually the improved the facilities, the quality systems, safety systems adoption, which takes the India into the next level of global recognition. And this will help us actually. We are the pharmacy of the world actually. That is our aim of the Indian industry. Life sciences actually, it's playing major role. So if you look at India, primarily generic industry. So also there is a huge opportunity in the industry, to convert into the innovators, because currently we are only making a generic industry. So if you put a lot of effort in research, and we bring in new medicines to the world actually, then we'll become the more innovator related actually pharma industry, than the generic. It has got a India has got a huge potential in this area, and a lot of Indian companies are investing on the research and development to bring in the medicines in a faster way. So I think in over a period, actually, in another 10 to 12 years, we will be playing a major role in bringing new medicines into the world.